Abebembezi b'eminyeto aba babebembirwe Brian Singoma chairman wa Youth League abwa Kasese bayereko butashemererwa abo kubura kubeto mu rukiko rwa Kasese Youth Mobilization Rally orubire rugenderiro kuronera President Museveni Karuru mu district ya Kasese.
There is a youth wake up mobilization rally which has been happening in other districts, hosted and organized by the Minister of the Youth, Baram. Today it is in Kasese, and us the youth leaders, we are not aware.
Umushachi wito kurabira hasumu yaganiraho na Boaz Kafunda uri umuhezi wa chairman wa NRM wa district ya Kasese kandi ibintu byo yatugambira anshongeji
ine cyo kumanya na NRM office. They just invited us to go there, but we didn't know what was happening. Konkana wekirigirire ruguru we have to answer such things, such programs to come on the ground without the coordination of the NRM office. If the NRM office had got that information or to coordinate the exercise, the baraza, it would have been better for you to want to have the information.
Abandi bebembeze nshongeji bakigambaho bati
otherwise I don't think Kasese district at large can prosper without the young generation, because I don't believe that we can just go on with the old people pushing us, yet the youths are supposed to be involved in each and every activity that is taking place in the district at large.
We the youth have been totally disappointed by this mobilization strategy. His Excellency, we are bringing to your notice that Kasese district people have met 30 people and not 63.
Now you find them with the youth council election zabo bakisha bakwata youth leagues. Youth leagues is different from youth council. Bakwata ba members of a youth league babahandika direct as youth council.
Umugandi abantu mu district y'Isinjiro abarebereho government zabandizeho bayihanangiriza abanya-Uganda okuhagira government ya NRM ahabwe intanso yeyine aharza government zabandizeho
otakwenda kutagira ureke gumana otandama mu Uganda nkareba ubutegetsi nkareba bashikaito number 1 akashara abantu maraka wateza mwita aho futati yazo ituramini kamini to iturabot wote yija yati ninyendo muntu UPC porotagambira UPC aliao
kamar hango umigu ahereze Museveni akarururanya nziko kama simu mnoga nimwe tumuri kumanya kufa abakazi tumuri kumanya kufa abana batabari kunyataga majinga benjaya bebilaka byomukanwa tumuri kumanya kufa tumukareba kama amakagatsokire
abantu bagira ngo government zabandizeho obusinge kikaba kiri kiroto wageragerana sana government ya NRM
kinana nebirnimbwe tegereza katwire Chamuka oba bene babinga abanyarwanda akaro mushizo umunyarwanda we Chamuka twekira amaguru abiri nibamweta rutahaba kubizire batweka enju yo mutabano batamwe morro kubatiremo morro yishe yareba enju yo mutabani yasi yayeteka kugira ngo ne Chamuka tine kwarage yanyo mbazi yabura no
areba ngo ekiganza nizompi ziterize tindakatira ke kiganza nareba ngo nefuka yo kutuzika bamara kutwita tindakatire nakwatakarura otwabire turagira iguro bushanduke natwata natunago mutari rukumirwe na kinana niko kararo kanje ko kubanza kunabanze gutera ubwo nitungaki emberambi
kabuyanda ko kuza kabuyanda noje kushanga ngo nyire y'abana nka magana aberganu
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi hamwe na Felix Nduhura.